Can the government control the technological tools of free expression? That's the hypothetical question that students wrestled with at the International Media Moot Court competition at Cardozo School of Law.
It's the contention of the government that the ability to write a defamation law, which is broadly similar, but may be silent on the particulars that you had just suggested, is within the margin of appreciation of a sovereign government.
So essentially the government, in trying to prosecute them or protect national security, is saying that our clients, in sending text messages saying smash the bank now, was part of a terrorist organization or was trying to incite a riot. And furthermore, they're trying to hold essentially what would be Twitter liable just because those messages were sent on that forum.
And the record does reflect that a number of the messages that were sent as floodgate messages were in fact malicious.
We set up a problem which demonstrates the complex issues of new technologies, social media, and invention that challenges the way we think about free expression.
I will address issue B, the government's request to Gateway for both the membership lists and message content, and issue C, the validity of the prosecutions of the Gateway users.
Every moot court case, the students have to be prepared to argue both sides. And they also try to argue before what we call a universal court. And it's a court that embraces elements of the European Court of Human Rights and embraces elements of the United States Supreme Court. They get to learn how to think on their feet, and they get to be exposed to people like Floyd Abrams or great lawyers who appear as judges and who test their capacity to think about these questions.
Do you think that national security, or are you focusing more on public order?
Your Excellency, the respondent is furthering both. National security is a very legitimate aim in this circumstance, given the context.
You didn't ruffle when you got questioned from the bench, and you handled that very, very well, I thought.
The fact that I have the opportunity to be a part of moot court and practice my advocacy skills in addition to what I'm learning in my coursework really prepares me, I feel like, for going into securities litigation or whatever type of litigation I want to pursue.
I think it really builds your skills to be able to formulate an argument persuasively, and whether or not I decide to go into litigation, I think it'll be really valuable skills that allow me to be precise and direct in my arguments, whatever they may be.